Yes, so now we are discussing about information technology. In that today we are discussing about blogging. A lot of people might not see the potential of running a successful blog. A good blog is a serious business, and if you put in some time and effort regularly, you can earn some big bucks. It might take some years to accomplish this, but a lot of bloggers earn $1,000 per month. It will take you some good enough time to increase your domain authority and attract more viewers. And when you have a good enough viewership, you can monetize your blogs. You can either sell digital or physical goods and services or try affiliate marketing to monetize your blogs. Blogging can be a great small business idea as it requires a little investment and can give you excellent returns in the long run. So blogging is also a very good income source, but only one thing is you should be creative and have a very good content, and you should have a purpose also. Then only the blogging will be useful. Generally, air ticketing, travel details, websites relating to travels, tours and hotels likewise are very profitable, and viewers will be increased so much. And then it is once if your ads are there in those pages, in those website pages, if your ads are also there, means you will get a very good income. But you should have a particular need, that is travels, hotels, details of travels, details of hotels, or air ticketing, bus ticketing and train ticketing. Likewise, so many are there. If you do all these servicings in websites, definitely your blog will also have good income and you can earn a lot also. It is a regular income also to you. But you should update your website for the time being by content and concept also. Then only it will be successful. Wishing you all the best.